Isang mapagpalang gabi po sa ating lahat. Maligayang pagdating sa 37th PMPC Star Awards for Television. Mula sa inyong mga tahanan hanggang sa ating maningning na red carpet at entablado ngayong gabi, narito tayo upang ipagdiwang ang mga nanatanging talento at dedikasyon ng mga individual na programa at na nagbigay kulay at buhay sa mga telebisyon noong taong 2023.
Ngayong gabi ay bibigyan ng parangal ang dalawang powerful tandem sa telebisyon. Bukod dyan, we will also pay tribute also sa isang respetadong broadcaster at idagdag pa rin natin ang 4 na natatanging personalidad na nakasungkit sa Ading Fernando Lifetime Achievement Award sa edisyong ito.
makakasama rin natin para mag-host mamaya ang King of Talk at ang Concert Queen.
Oh, madami pa tayong idadagdag dyan dahil idadagdag pa natin dyan ang mga nagpaunlak sa atin para magbigay ng special numbers. Kasama pa ang mga between na magsasama-sama para maging mas makinang pa ang ating pagtitipon ngayong gabi.
Hopefully includes us, no?
Yeah.
But tonight, we honor the best of Philippine television. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 37th Star Awards for television. Here we go. So, to all the people right here, sit back, relax, and enjoy the whole program. We shall be back with our first set of awards. Hotel Convention Center para igawad ang mga parangal para sa mga pinakamahuhusay na palabas sa telebisyon mula January 2023 hanggang December 2023.
Alam naming sabik na kayong malaman ang mga magsisipanalo ngayong gabi. Ngunit, nitong nagdaang Biyernes lamang ay inanunsyo ng pamunuan ng PMPC ang ilan sa mga nagsipanalo para sa 37th Star Awards for television.
And we can see icons, celebrities all over the venue. Even one of my mentors when I was in Umaga kay Ganda, Sir Ariel Loreta, nako, nakakataba ng puso just to see you right here. Ang dami pong mangyayari sa gabing ito. My question is, ladies and gentlemen, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Let's start this show running. Kaya simulan na natin ang pamimigay ng tropeo at ito na nga yan, Jelski. 7 trophies ang ating pamimigay sa ating unang batch. And we shall start off with the Best Children's Show. Alright, and the star for Best Children's Show goes to... Thank you so much, sir. Congratulations. Best Children's Show is Talents Academy IBC 13. Congratulations. Presenting the award is PNPC member Joe Cesar.
To our home network, IBC 13, and to all my talented cast and my whole production team para sa ating lahat nito. Maraming salamat, PMPC.
Thank you so much, PMPC Star Awards, for this prestigious award as Best Children's Show Host. This truly inspires us, and our goal is to give joy, good values to our children around the world. So, thank you, IBC 13, for giving us the platform to reach children around the world. To Direct June Miguel, thank you so much. You really give life to our show. And to everyone around the world, our viewers, parents, and artists, thank you so much for believing in us. Again, maraming salamat po.
At maraming salamat po. Congratulations! But may we request everyone on stage to not leave because we're gonna be presenting our next category at saktong-sakto because, Chala?
The star for Best Children's Show Host goes to Jace Pierre, Shilo Isaiah Haresco, Jessica Marie Robinson, Michaela Go, Candice Ayesha, Madison Go, Anika Dominique Figueroa, Isabel Luisa Perez, and Cara Bartolo. Talents Academy IBC 13.
Back-to-back awards for Talents Academy. Congratulations, kids.
Again, presenting the award is PMPC member Joe Cesar.
Alright, can we hear some words coming from our talented kids?
Good evening, everyone. Thank you, PMPC Star Award, for this big opportunity for all of us. IBC TV 13 Talent Academy, Daweg, June Miguel. Salamat po and God bless you all.
That is so cute. Congratulations, kids.
Congratulations!
Naalala namin na ganyan si Chong Joey a few years back. Congratulations, Talents Academy. Up next, the star for Best Child Performer goes to Ewan Mikael, the right one, GMA 7.
Sorry po. Hello po? Hello po? Buti na lang meron ako nakahandang speech. Okay. Hello po, ako po si Ewan Mikael. Marami na din po ako naging pangalan sa bawat karakter ko pong nagampanan. Pero, dahil po doon, nagpapasalamat po ako sa PMPC sa parangal na ito. Sa pagkilala nila kay Dex and Seth ng The Right One. Maraming salamat po. Hindi pa yan tapos. Meron pa. Nagpapasalamat din po ako sa Sparkle at GMA Network family ko po. At Public Affairs family sa patuloy po nilang pagtitiwala sa akin. Maraming salamat po. Yun lang.
Piyok pa.
Bye-bye po.
Maraming salamat, Ewan, who's currently 52 years old. Thank you so much. And thank you to our PMPC member, Dominic Rea, for presenting the award.
Next naman, Kuya Robs, the star for Best Morning Show Host. Show goes to Unang Hirit, GMA 7. Presenting the award is PMPC member Beth Helena.
Good evening po. Maraming salamat po sa PMPC Star Awards for Television. Kung napansin niyo po pagkatapos ng mga bata, kami na po agad na morning show. Kasi tulad po nila, maaga din po kami dapat natutulog. Pero yun po, maraming salamat po. At sa panahon po ngayon, mahirap na bumuo ng programa sa telebisyon. Pero nandito po tayong lahat para patuloy na gumawa ng mga makabuluhang storya at programa. Kaya po, umasa po kayo na sa Unang Hirit. Patuloy po kaming gigising ng maaga at paghahatid ng serbisyo, balita at impormasyon sa bawat umaga. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po sa PMPC para sa karangalan ito. Of course, this award is dedicated to all the loyal Unang Hirit viewers na pinatutuloy po kami sa kanilang mga tahanan. Araw-araw, rain or shine, especially pag rain dahil nag-aabang po sila kung masususpindi ba ang klase. Pinatutuloy po kami sa kanilang mga tahanan for the past 25 years. Of course, this is also dedicated to all the hardworking men and women of Unang Hirit, our Unang Hirit family na naghahatid po sa inyo ng serbisyo at saya araw-araw para sa lahat po ng ating mga kapuso. Again, gaya na sinabi po ni Jonella, this will even inspire us to wake up even earlier, work even harder, and serve with even greater hearts. Muli po, PMPC, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Mabuhay po kayong lahat at magandang gabi po.
Naku, maraming salamat po. At yes, nandito din pala po Bulgang family ko. Pero maraming salamat po for this recognition. Gaya nga po ng sabi ni Ms. Maris, we're just really happy po to bring you the news. And of course, kami ni Sean, more of sa adventures po kami sa Unang Hirit. So aside from that, ayun po, we also are here to serve the fun for all of you guys. So maraming salamat po.
Thank you PMPC. Dadagdag lang din ako. Maraming salamat. 25 years na nga kami and more to come. Sana po tuloy-tuloy po tayo magsama tuwing umaga. Alis na po kami kasi maaga rin po yung call time namin. Hindi na una hindi rin. Maraming salamat po.
Again, congratulations! Unang hirit. Maaga pa sila bukas. But please, don't go just yet because we're here to announce the star for Best Morning Show Host. And it goes to... Congratulations! Unang hirit, GMA 7! Arnold Clavio, Suzy Entrata, Abrera, Lynn, Ching Pascual, Susan Enriquez, Ivan, Mayrina, Marizomali, Mateo Viricelli, Shaira Diaz, Anjo Peritiera, Cheska Fausto, Sean Lucas, Shuti Entrada, J.R. Royal, and Kaloy Ping Junco. Congratulations!
Muli po, maraming salamat. Sana po wag po kayo masasawa sa unang hirit. Maraming pong salamat, PMPC Star Award.
Yes, maraming salamat din po dito sa recognition again as a Best Morning Show Host. Kauna-unahang TV award ko po ito, kaya this is something really memorable. Maraming salamat po.
Again, congratulations! Unang year, 25 years. And thank you so much, PMPC member Beth Helena, for presenting the award.
And next, the star for Best Documentary Program goes to... The Atom Araulio Specials, GMA 7. Presenting the award is PMPC member Archie Liao.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Sa ngalan po ni Atom Araulio at sa lahat ng bumubuo ng The Atom Araulio Specials, I have with me si Chel, producer po namin. Maraming salamat po PMPC for choosing us. And asahan niyo po na patuloy kaming gagawa ng makabuluhang dokumentaryo para sa mga Pilipino.
Maraming salamat po sa PMPC. Rest assured po, we will continue to produce documentaries na maganda po para sa ating mga Pilipino in spirit of public service. Salamat po.
At maraming salamat. Congratulations! This time, let's have the star for Best Documentary Program Host. And it goes to... Eyewitness GMA 7, Howie Severino, Atom Araulio, Mal Gonzalez, Cara David, John Consulta, and Sandra Aguinaldo. Presenting the award is PMPC member Archie Liao.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng bumubuo ng PMPC Star Award sa parangal na ito. Alam niyo po, this year is our 26th year. We are probably the longest running public affairs program in the Philippines. At alay po namin ito sa lahat po ng mga manonood na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Eyewitness. Pero higit sa lahat, ito po ay alay namin sa lahat po ng mga Pilipino na pinagkakatiwalaan po kami sa kanilang mga storya. Makakaasa po kayo na mananatili kaming tapat sa aming sinumpaan sa taong bayan.
Sa ngalan po ng aming mga kasamang host, Mal Gonzalez, Atom Araulio, at Howie Severino, tapos puso kong magpapasalamat po sa PMPC Star Awards sa parangal pong ito na talaga namang nagbibigay sa amin ng inspirasyon para magpatuloy na maghanap ng mga kwento na may kapuluhan at magbibigay ng boses sa mga taong hindi naririnig at tinig. Kaya maraming salamat po at alay din po namin ito sa aming mga talagang viewers na tumututok sa mga dokumentaryo ng Eyewitness at sa mga tao na nasa likod ng camera na nagpapagod para mag-produce ng mga world-class na mga dokumentaryo. Mabuhay po kayo, mabuhay po tayong lahat. Magandang gabi po.
Thank you PMPC for recognizing our work. Hindi po birong gumawa ng docu on a weekly basis. So, gusto ko lang din i-acknowledge sina Cara, sina Jana na sa field, nag-shoot sa bundok, sa mga ilog at sa malalayang lugar para maghatid ng mga storya ng mga Pilipino. So, we share this award with the whole Eyewitness team and of course sa iba pa naming host, si Javi Severino, Atom Arolio, and Mark Gonzalez. Maraming salamat po.
Congratulations to all of our awardees for the first batch, but 6 awards will be at stake when the 37 PMPC Star Awards for TV returns. Don't go away.
Special is presented to you by Bingo Plus in cooperation with VS Hotel Convention Center.
Announce our Star Trophy winners for this year. Huwag na natin patagalin. So on to our next categories. 6 Star trophies for this set, starting with the Best Lifestyle/Travel Show. And the star goes to... Thank you. Pinas Sarap, GMA 7. Congratulations. Presenting the award is PMPC member Alan Sancon.
Maraming salamat po mga kapuso. Kasama ko po dito ang aming researcher na si Rovic. Sila po yung mga dahilan kung bakit po lagi po akong pinalulusong sa kung saan-saan. Promise ko po sa inyo, sa mga susunod na episode, Rovic, handa ka na bang lumusong din? Itataob na natin yung bangka ng mga researcher. Joke lang po. Pero seriously, maraming salamat po sa pagtangkilik ninyo sa aming programang Pinasarap. Ang layunin po namin ay lalo pang palaganapin at i-popularize at magkaroon tayo ng pride sa ating kultura, sa ating pagkain, at sa ating kinagisnan. Maraming salamat po. Sana makasama namin kayo tuwing Sabado sa kwentuhan at salo-salo. Salamat po!
Thank you very much. Congratulations again. But let's proceed. The star for Best Lifestyle Show Host goes to Cara David Pinasarap, GMA 7.
Congratulations po ulit.
Naku, maraming salamat po sa PMPC Star Awards. Ako po ay host lamang po sa Pinasarap, pero ang produkto po ng aming programa ay alay po namin sa lahat po ng cameraman, lahat ng segment producers, researchers, ang aming program manager, executive producer, lahat ng bumubuo ng programang ito, at higit sa lahat po ng mga Pilipino na pinapasok kami sa inyong mga tahanan at pinatikim kami ng inyong masasarap na pagkain. Hanggang sa susunod na lusong, sama-sama po tayo sa Pinasarap. Maraming salamat po sa parangal na ito.
Maraming salamat and congratulations po ulit, Ms. Cara. And for the next award, the star for Best Magazine Show goes to... Kapuso Mo, Jessica Soho, GMA 7. Congratulations po, KMJS. Presenting the award is PMPC member Demi Basit.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. In behalf of the staff of Kapuso Mo, Jessica Soho, mula po sa researcher, hanggang producers, editors, and cameramen po namin. Maraming salamat po PMPC. And maraming salamat din po sa mga manonood dahil patuloy niyo po kaming naging parte ng inyong Sunday viewing habit. And asahan niyo po na patuloy po kaming lilipad ang aming team para maghatid ng makabuluhang kwento ng Pilipino. Maraming salamat po muli.
And next, the star for Best Magazine Show Host goes to Corina Sanchez, rated Corina TV5 GTV A to Z. Presenting the award is PMPC member Timmy Basil, with Aura Beauty and Wellness CEO and President, Ms. Benelin Amigo Molina.
Congratulations.
Maraming salamat po PMPC Star Awards sa ngalan po ni Miss Corina Sanchez Rojas, ang ating kaibigan, kabalitaan at kakampi na sa loob ng 4 na dekada ay walang bahid sa pagtulong at pagpapatuloy ng pagbibigay inspirasyon sa bawat Pilipino.
Kami pong lahat ay nasa likuran ni Ma'am Corina Sanchez. Tandaan, hindi namin kayo iwan dahil sa aming mga puso, kayo ang #1. Muli, maraming salamat po sa PMPC Star Awards.
Congratulations and maraming salamat din po. Alright, the next one. The star for Best Game Show goes to Emoji Nation TV5. Congratulations, Emoji. Presenting the award is PMPC member Joey Austria.
Emoji Nation, about the Emoji Nation,
Calling Emoji Nation. Congratulations po.
On behalf of TV5, we'd like to thank the PMPC Star Awards for this award, all the hard work of the staff and of Ms. Baha Salvador. So, salamat PMPC.
Congratulations! Next, the star for Best Game Show Host goes to Ding Dong Dantes, Family Feud GMA 7. Presenting the award is PMPC member Joey Austria.
Nasa inyong harapan ngayon ay hindi si Ding Dong, kundi si Sandy Di Quepo, creative consultant ng Family Feud. Pero meron po siyang pinadalang mensahe para sa PMPC. Pasensya na raw po hindi siya makakarating dahil meron silang family event ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng bumubuo ng PMPC sa pagkilalang ito. Right now, we are celebrating our 800th episode. And sabi niya, never did I imagine that a show this fun, especially with me as its host, would last this long. As I've always said, accepting this role was something that made me feel very insecure at first. But I am forever grateful to GMA for trusting me and giving me this chance. That's why to PMPC, please know how important this recognition is for me. Sabi pa niya, sometimes we doubt ourselves, sometimes we second guess, but tonight because of you, our friends in PMPC, I am reminded that maybe we really are doing something great. And because it's Family Feud, here's to more top answers and to resolving more family feuds together on Philippine television and online. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you and congratulations. Now moving forward, we have more awards, but that's next here at the 37th Star Awards for TV.
This special is brought to you by Smile 360 Dental Clinic, Public Attorney's Office, Trujillo, Ansaldo, Maranion Law Offices, EV Production and Events, and Innovative Solutions Marketing Hub.
Maraming salamat. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Magandang gabi, Ipay.
Magandang gabi, Tito Boy.
Kumusta ka?
Ako ay very, very well. Kumusta ka? Na-miss kita, Tito Boy. Sorry, nilinis ko po yung sahig ng buhok.
Ako dapat ang nagsuot nito. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat, sa ating mga bisita dito sa awards night na ito. At maraming salamat sa PMPC, Philippine Movie Press Club. At maraming salamat sa Star Awards for Television dahil ito ay pang 37th year.
37? Congratulations po. 37. Importante kasi ang awards night na to because it's for television.
Sabi ko nga,
Bihira lang yan.
in our community, sabi ni Chayo sa labas, kayo ba ay kinakabahan? Sabi ko, hindi na masyado. Kasi kung hindi po ako nagkakamali, 37 years ago, I think I hosted Star Awards.
The very first Star
That's a joke.
Awards.
No, that's a joke. Ang sinasabi ko lamang, maraming salamat po sa Philippine Movie Press Club. Dahil maliban sa mga nanay, sa mga tatay, at sa mga kapuso, kapatid, at mga kapamilya, ay alam namin na may mga mapanuring mata na nagmamasid sa ating mga sinasabi, sa ating mga ginagawa sa telebisyon. At dahil dyan, ay pinagbubutihan natin ang ating trabaho. So, Philippine Movie Press Club, maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat. At maski na siguro hindi sila nanonood, di ba? Individually, kailangan naman po talagang galingan natin because ito yung mahal nating trabaho, di ba? Alam mo, Tito Boy, kung hindi mo natatanong, tuwing wala po akong schedule at ini-invite po ako ng BMPC for Star Awards for TV, lagi ko silang pinapaunlakan. Dahil sa kanila, nanalo ako ng 5 Best Female TV Host Awards.
Palakpakan po natin.
Sa ASAP. So, kumbaga excited po ako dyan, di ba? Dahil bihira lang ang makalima. Ibig ba sabihin nun, nasa Hall of Fame na ako? Ganun ba yun? Congratulations again, PMPC, on your 37th year and of course, in giving out these awards.
Totoo naman po. Pipa is not only the concert queen, but she's also one of the best hosts in the country. Backstage, mapag-usapan ho namin because we shared a time slot. One of the most coveted time slots at GMA7 noon was the 10 o'clock Saturday time slot kung saan Penthouse Live, RSVP, and then Gretchen and I did show and tell. But that's for another story. Samantala ngayon po, mga kaibigan,
Recollection tayo, in other words.
ituloy-tuloy na po natin ang pamamahagi ng mga parangal ngayong gabi.
Tulad ng ilan sa mga winners kanina, ang mga nagsipanalo para sa comedy category ay naihag na rin itong mga nagdaang araw. And we are here to officially announce our Star Trophy winners for this year.
Ang mga susunod na categories ang nagpasaya at nagpatawa sa atin. Lalo na at may kinakarhap tayong mabigat sa buhay.
Magsisimula tayo with the Best Comedy Show. And the star goes to...
Thank you, Ryan. Congratulations.
Hello po, good evening. Good evening po in behalf of the Pepito Manaloto family. Gusto po namin pasalamatan ng PMPC. Siyempre Lord, maraming salamat po. 15 years old na po ang Pepito Manaloto. Siyempre hindi po kami aabot dito kung hindi rin po dahil sa pamilyang Pilipino na lagi pong nanonood sa amin at nagmamahal sa amin ng buong buo. So maraming salamat po ulit PMPC and to God be the glory.
Ito ba'y pwedeng ibigay? Ay, kailangan itago mo ito.
Yes. Congrats!
Congratulations. Samantala, our next award, the star for Best Comedy Actor, goes to... Ipay, please.
Best Comedy Actor, Paolo Contes.
Paolo Contes!
GMA7.
Presenting the award is PMPC member Boy Romero. Thank you, Ms. Paz. And Boy Abunda. Hindi ko po ito in-expect. Hindi ko in-expect to.
Thank you PMPC sa pagbigay ng award na to. Of course, thank you to GMA7, sa mga boss ng GMA7, Ms. Annette, Ms. Cheryl, Ms. Joy Marcelo, Ms. Ja, Ms. Cecil, sa lahat ng Bubblegang family, maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa creative ng Bubblegang. Thank you to PMPC dahil binibigyan ng importansya ang comedy. Sa hirap magpatawa ngayon, lahat na lang na-offend, lahat na lang pangit yung sinasabi namin. Gusto lang po namin magpasaya ng tao. That's all that we want. So, chill. And special tong award na to dahil inaari ko to kay Nay Lolit. Para sa ito, Nay, ipapakremate ko rin to, charito. At special din tong award na to dahil ayoko i-preempt. I-preempt ko na dahil kasama kong mananalo ang isang matali kong kaibigan na tatawagin ng susunod. Maraming salamat kay PMPC.
Kaya naman pala siya, Best Comedy Actor.
Pao, maraming salamat.
Sulit na sulit. Congrats, Paolo.
Ito naman just to pay tribute to Paolo Cortez. One actor who can do comedy and who can do drama just as brilliantly as he can. Totoo yan, coming from the bottom of my heart.
Brilliant.
At meron din siyang sinabi ngayon na importante. Alam niyo po, hindi madali maging komedyante sa mga araw na ito. You know, I remember when, who was this comedian? Joan Rivers was still alive. She used to complain dahil nahihirapan na raw sila magkomedya dahil sa ang daming iniiwasan. You make a joke about this sector, you're politically incorrect. Hindi ka pwede magbiro tungkol dito, you're against animal rights. Hindi ka pwede magbiro dito because you're anti-something. So, for Paolo and the rest of the comedians today, mabuhay kayo because it is not an easy time for comedy.
It is a tough job, actually.
It is.
No matter what generation, di ba? Yan ang pinakamahirap gawin, magpatawa. In fact, we need to laugh. We need to laugh.
Oh yeah?
Moving on. Moving on. And that's now for the star for Best Comedy Actress. And it goes to... Presenting the award is PMPC Assistant Treasurer John Fontanillo.
Sandali naman, Best Comedy Actress.
Charisse Solomon.
Charisse Solomon!
There's 7.
It is really a hard time for comedy and TV now. Pero lalaban tayo kasi kami po hindi na namin tinitignan kung ano yung makukuha namin. We just work because we love our jobs. We work for our families. Makes us happy to make people happy. And that's what we need right now in the world. Una sa lahat, gusto ko pong pasalamatan siyempre si Lord and PMPC. Maraming salamat po. Ito dyan, siya po nakadiscover sa akin. Siya pa po ng una kong ina sa showbiz. Hindi ko po yan makakalimutan. And Tatay Romel Gacho, na nagpumilit po ako sa akin sa Bubble Gang kasi ayaw po nila sa akin. Dati. Lalo na si Direk Cosme. Pero ngayon love na niya ako. Si Direk Oros, Malangit Nawa. Sila po nagturo sa akin ng tinatawag na situational comedy. And syempre nandyan din ang #1 mentor ko, basher at critic si Kuya Bitoy. And syempre si Condis. Ayan, talagang hindi sila madamot sa kanilang creative juices. Hindi ko lang kami sinasabi ko. Siyempre, salamat ko sa GMA family, sa Sparkle family, Bubble Gang family, para sa inyo to. Happy 30 years, Bubble Gang. And my Pepito and your honor family. And siyempre, ang pinaka-love kong family, Vincent and my kids, ang mga superpowers ko. So, thank you so much again, PMPC. Mabuhay po ang telebisyong Pilipino. Mabuhay po kayo, PMPC. Thank you so much.
Cha, congratulations. You have to keep this. And be proud because you're brilliant. Kapahusay po niyan. Palakpakan po natin, Charisse Solomon. Mga tikalibreng drama programs naman ang bibigyan natin ng pagkilala at parangal sa pagbabalik ng 37th PMPC Star Awards for Television.
This special is brought to you
At Africa, ganyan kahusay po ang gawang Pinoy.
Paano ba naman? Pinag-iisipan talaga ang konsepto ng mga programang ito. Mula research, pre-prod, hanggang sa editing. Mas pinagaganda at ginagawang mas makabuluhan ang mga palabas sa telebisyon. Iba talaga pag gawang Pinoy, ang sinasabi nila, di ba? From concept to finished product, they really deliver the best.
Tama ka naman dyan. Like the already announced winners tonight, ang mga nagsapanalo para sa drama category ay naihayag na rin itong mga nagdaang araw. And we are here to officially announce our Star Trophy winners for this year. The star for Best Daytime Drama Series goes to... Best Daytime Drama Series.
Abot kamay ang pangarap, GMA 7.
Presenting the award is PMPC Past President Melba Llanera. Si Sanity is accepting the
Si
award.
Sanity pala, congrats.
At po, sa ngalan po ng Drama Department ng GMA Entertainment Group, tinatanggap ko po itong award na ito para sa abot kamay na pangarap. Thank you.
Sen, ito iyo. Balingkikita katulad ni Jillian Ward.
Makakarating.
Maraming salamat, Sen.
Congrats again. And now the star for Best Miniseries goes to... Presenting the award is PMPC member Joey Sarmiento. Best Miniseries is Walang Matigas na Pulis sa Matinik na Misis, GMA 7. To accept the award.
I think, Sen, you have come back. You have
Yes,
to come back
Sen.
to the stage.
Nagustuhan daw nila yung speech mo, bumalik ka.
Bye. Sa ngalan po ng Colome, maraming salamat po, PMPC.
Sanity is one of the most loved people in the industry.
Yes, oo naman. Lahat friendly, Sen.
Diyan lang muna daw. Namnamin mo ang sandali, Sen, bilang representative.
Yes.
Magkwentuhan mo kayo ni Joey. Di ba?
Tayo, Tito Boy, magkwentuhan din tayo.
Pwede rin naman.
Pwede naman, di ba? Our audience is so beautiful. Ang gaganda ng mga... I love it when everyone is so dressed up and excited and happy. All of our awardees, yes.
Pero kanina nga yung sinasabi nila, they get used to receiving awards. Hindi.
Hindi kaya.
It's always like, di ba? Parang it's the first time you're getting it.
No matter, ikaw, Tito Boy, madami ka na award na na-receive.
Oh.
It always feels great to be recognized, I always say.
Correct? Congratulations.
PMPC, thank you very much for this award. In behalf of Senator Bonavilla and GMA, maraming salamat. Thank you.
Congratulations. Pasensya na po, hindi namin kayo nakita doon sa likod. Ang nakita lang namin ay si Sanity dito sa may bentang harapan.
It's okay.
Thank you. Ngayon naman, punta na tayo sa the star for Best Drama Anthology. And the star goes to... Best Drama Anthology, Tibay.
Magpakailanman, GMA 7.
Presenting the award is PMPC Assistant Secretary Mildred Bakut. Mildred?
Sanity, ikaw pa rin. You are the winner for tonight. How's that?
No, but Sen talaga is part of magpakailanman.
Yes. Ito talaga sa amin, ako po head writer na magpakailanman. Binana ko po ito kay Jake Tordesillas. Kaya sa ngalan po ng GMA Network, kay Tita Mel Chanco, so bumubuo po ng magpakailanman. 23 years na po ang magpakailanman this year. Kaya nagpapasalamat kami sa PMPC dahil sa patuloy nilang pagkilala sa aming programa ngayon, bukas at magpakailanman.
Maraming salamat. Ikaw, Pipay, halimbawa, gawing magpakailanman ang life story mo.
Ako, parang oo.
Talaga?
Parang magpakailanman 1, magpakailanman 2. Kasi iba-ibang chapter yung story ng life
Medyo
natin, di ba?
magkahabaan. But Ines, seriously, among the young actors, who would play Pops Fernandez?
Oh my gosh, ang daming magagaling.
Tough, no?
Tough. It's so hard to choose.
Sige, let's choose later.
Mamaya mag-isip tayo. Ikaw, pag meron mag-play ng role ni Boy Abunda, sino ang choice mo?
Wala akong maisip ngayon, pero kailangan kalbo.
Requirement. Pwede magpa-shave. Ang dami rin magagaling na actor ngayon, no? Now, the Lifetime Achievement Award is to be rolled out when the 37th PMPC Star Awards for TV returns.
This special is brought to you by Ismaeli.
Ang Philippine Television ay patuloy na nagbibigay liwanag at inspirasyon. Ngayong gabi, ipinagdiriwang natin ang mga alagad ng sining na naglaan ang kanilang buhay at talento upang itatag ang pundasyon ng industriyang ito.
Bilang tanda ng ating walang hanggang pasasalamat at pagkilala sa kanilang lifetime achievements, narito ang isang natatanging handog musika mula sa mga boses na nagmarka rin sa iba't ibang henerasyon. Tunay na musika para sa mga alamat ng telebisyon.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome, make some noise for Dingdong Avanzado, Jeza Zaragoza, and Christian Bautista.
Ika'y bahagi na ng buhay ko.
Ding Dong Avanzado.
Galing.
How difficult is it to sing live in events like this one?
Well, it's always difficult to sing live because it really depends dun sa condition mo for that day. Maski na paulit-ulit mo kinakanta yung kanta mo. Minsan, di ba, may araw na puyat ka, pagod ka, may sipon ka. So, hindi naman kailangan malaman ng audience yung Tito Boy, di ba? So, you always have to deliver.
No?
It's tougher pag syempre, hindi nakakatulong yung sound system, di ba?
Well, you have to have the talent of Ding Dong, Christian, and Cheza.
Correct. Tapos ang kanilang dedikasyon and professionalism, hindi matatawaran dahil sa pagmamahal nila sa kanilang sining ay tunay na dahilan kung bakit patuloy tayong bumabalik sa harap ng telebisyon.
That's right. Kanina nga, doon po sa may red carpet, somebody told us kung ano ang halaga, particularly itong portion. Include Mike Enriquez, Bong Lapira, Harry Gazer, Senator Loren Legarda, Cheche Lazaro. I mean, these are venerable names in the business. Noli De Castro, Mel Tiangco, at ang ating kaibigang Jessica Soho. To present this year's Excellence in Broadcasting Lifetime Achievement Award, please welcome on stage veteran sportscaster Mr. Bill Velasco.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Isang mapagpalang gabi sa ating lahat. Ngayong taon, ipinagdiriwang natin ang mga natatanging individual na nagbibigay liwanag at inspirasyon sa mundo ng telebisyon. Sa loob ng ilang dekada, naging bahagi siya ng ating tahanan. Nagdadala ng mga balita, impormasyon at inspirasyon. Sino ang makakalimot sa kanya bilang isa sa mga pioneer na personalidad ng Star News sa TV Patrol noong 1987. Di ba 86? 87. Okay. Ang kanyang husay sa pag-host ay kitang-kita rin sa iba't ibang programa kung saan nabigyan niya ng boses ng mga ordinaryong Pilipino. Ang kanyang dedikasyon sa profesyon, ang kanyang integridad at ang kanyang kakayahang kumonekta sa masa ay naging huwaran sa bawat isa sa atin. At higit dyan, isa pa siyang mabuting kaibigan. Please let us all welcome on stage the one and only recipient of the Star Awards for TV Excellence in Broadcasting Lifetime Achievement Award, ang ating pinakamamahal na si Angelique Ahason.
To present the Aling Fernando Lifetime Achievement Award are PMPC President Mel Navarro and past presidents Fernando Guzman, Julie Bonifacio Gaspar, Romel Gonzalez, Rodel Fernando, Mel Ballenera, and Roldan Castro.
Maraming salamat sa PMPC. Alam niyo, nung unang panahon, nung bata pa si Eva, no, actually, we used to cover, when I was still with TV Patrol Star News, we used to cover itong awards na ito. Talagang, ang Star Awards, every year talaga present kami. Little did I know back then that I would be a recipient of this Lifetime Achievement Award. No, really, truly, I am so touched to the core. Maraming salamat PMPC. Maraming salamat po sa maraming taong nakasama ko sa mga nakalipas na taon. Actually, the timing is just talagang God moves in mysterious ways. This is my 40th year in the industry. So talagang perfect timing, ang galing talaga. And ang dami kong mga nakasama, mga naging mentors, yung mga co-anchors ko, sila Tita Mel, Kuya Noli, the late Kiko, and then when I moved on to Action 9, ang mga barakong sina Ray Longit, si Tito Montulfo, the late Dong Puno, and so many others have been my instruments, but also my inspiration. And now I've been with PTV for the last 8 years. I'm thankful to the management, thankful to our new GM, who's a friend, Ms. Malu. And I hope to continue doing the things that I love to do. My passion for broadcasting, sana magpatuloy pa rin sa awa ni Lord. And I thank Him. Of course, I thank my family. I thank my co-workers, those who come in and day out. Bumabagyo, bumabaha. Kasama ko sila sa sa Centro Balita at sa In Person. To my audience who followed me for 4 decades, to my friends, and of course, to the Lord, for all His blessings, many of which are not deserved. But thank you, Lord. This is for your greater glory, AMDG, Ad Maiorem Dei Gloria. Maraming salamat po. Thank you, PMPC.
Congratulations.
Angelique Lazo, palakpakan po natin mga kaibigan.
And happy 40 years in the business. Perfect timing namin.
No, but how nice is this to listen to Angelique? You're just so beautiful. Nothing much has changed. But you know, she remains an inspiration to many young hosts today. Hailed as a father of Philippine television, he was not just a popular and versatile actor. He also directed classic Pinoy TV shows such as John and Marcia, Chicks to Chicks,
Favorite
among
namin
others.
yan.
Diba?
Yes.
Previous honorees of this accolade include
Sa
Member JL of Clay and Fidel, umas kilala bilang Philae, captivated, did I pronounce it correctly? Tama, no? Philae. Yes, it captivated the whole nation, sparking a love team that became a household name. Ang husay ni Barbie bilang modernang Clay at ang charm ni David bilang si Fidel ay nagbigay ng panibagong buhay sa nobelang Mahal Ho Natin. At patuloy silang nagbibigay kilig at nagpapatunay ng kanilang versatility sa maging sino ka man. Ipinapakita nila na ang kanilang tandem ay hindi lamang limitado sa isang genre o sa isang panahon lamang. Sila ang unang pares na ating gagawaran ng Herman Moreno Power Tandem of the Year dahil sa kanilang hindi matatawarang chemistry at dedikasyon sa kanilang sining. Let's all give a warm round of applause to Barbie Forteza and David Licauco. David and Barbie are not here tonight. They're going to join us tonight. So, on behalf of Barbie and David, we accept their award. Maraming salamat po.
Again. Sino ba naman ang hindi nakatutok sa kanilang phenomenon na pagganap sa Dirty Linen bilang sina Kiara at Nico? Pinatunayan nila ang kanilang husay sa pagganap ng mga komplikadong karakter na nagpapakita ng chemistry na nagpapako sa ating mga upuan, mapa TV5 man o A to Z. Their impact on screen is clear. Sila ang Herman Moreno Power Tandem of the Year dahil sa kanilang natatanging chemistry at dedikasyon sa kanilang sining. Please join us in giving a warm round of applause to this edition's final recipients of the Herman Moreno Power Tandem of the Year Award, Francine Diaz and Seth Fedelin. To present the Herman Moreno Power Tandem of the Year Award are PMPC members Benny Andaya and Glenn Sibong.
Good evening po sa inyong lahat. First of all, gusto ko po magpasalamat kay Lord. Kung hindi po dahil sa Kanya, wala naman po kami dito. To our families, sa walang sawang paggabay at pagsuporta at sa pagbubuhos ng pagmamahal sa amin. To our supporters na kahit kailan hindi kami iniwanan. And of course, to PMPC para po sa award na to. Hindi, para sa akin, actually para po sa amin, hindi lang po isang tagay. From now on, pag makikita ko to, magsisilbing reminder po to that we are doing good. At hindi po lahat nabibigyan ng atensyon o ng award para masabihan ka o para ma-remind ka na maganda ang ginagawa mo. So thank you to PMPC and I thank you for being with me. Yun po.
Gusto ko lang din po idagdag, itong award na to, sobrang laking bagay po sa amin. At hindi lang yun ang mas mahalaga ngayong gabi para sa amin. Yung mga narinig po namin bago kami umakyat ng entabladong to. Yung mga seniors po, yung mga kagalang-galang po natin, aktor, host, yung mga shows na nagagandahan. Maraming salamat po sa inyo dahil pinakulay niyo po ang bawat buhay ng mamamayang Pilipino. At sa PMPC po na pinarangalan kami ngayon sa lahat po ng mga pamilyar na mukha ng mga kaibigan namin na nandito. Maraming salamat po. And yun, bibitbitin po namin to pag-uwi sa bahay at pagmamalaki po namin. Maraming salamat.
Congratulations!
Maraming salamat, Seth and Francine. Thank you.
Well, we are actually accepting on their behalves the awards of Barbie and David. Amin na ba yan? Sige.
Maraming salamat.
Congratulations again to all recipients of this year's...
Sid at saka si Francine.
Oo.
I've been interviewing a lot of young people, pero sabi ko nga, nasa magandang kamay ang future ng industriya.
Diba? Ang daming magagaling ngayon.
Nakakatuwa talaga. Hindi ko alam nagkatuluyan na sila.
Nagkatuluyan na sila.
Hindi ko alam.
Nagkatuluyan na ba?
Talaga?
Hindi pa tayo sinasagot.
But you know, it's so refreshing. It's so refreshing that there is that continuity. Diba? Napakahuhusay yan.
At ang galing because they're giving back, diba?
Dedicated to the craft.
That's right. Again, congratulations to our Lifetime Achievement Awards. Susunod is our sixth batch of Star Award winners for the News and Public Affairs category. All this and more sa pagbabalik ng 37th PMPC Star Award for TV.
Is brought to you by Ismaili Couture by Bar. GMA7, Corina Interviews, Net25, Magandang Araw, Net25, Magandang Buhay, TV5, A to Z, Moms, Miss on a Mission, All TV, Tony, All TV.
And those were the nominees for this category. Presenting the award is BMPC member Dominic Rea. Once again, Best Celebrity Talk Show is...
Fast Talk with Boy Abunda, GMA7.
Of course.
Deserve yan, deserve.
And we have the King of Talk right here on the stage.
This is a surprise, Tito Boy.
We're all surprised.
I'd like you to meet Rayleigh. Rayleigh is my executive producer for Fast Talk. Sa gitna tayo. Rayleigh.
On behalf of the entire team of Fast Talk with Boy Abunda, maraming salamat po sa parangalan pinagkaloob sa amin. Thank you rin Tito Boy, and thank you po sa lahat. Thank you.
Maraming salamat. Halika na. Oo, maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat po. And after saying and announcing
Congrats,
the Best Celebrity Talk Show, let's have the Best Celebrity Talk Show host. And ladies and gentlemen, here are the nominees.
Best Celebrity Talk Show host, Boy Abunda, Fast Talk with Boy Abunda, GMA7, Tony Gonzaga, Tony, All TV, Rufa Gutierrez, Mariel Rodriguez, Shara Soto, MOMS, Miss on a Mission, All TV, Aramina, Magandang Araw, Net25, Corina Sanchez, Corina Interviews, Net25, Regine Velasquez, Jolina Magdanal, Melay Cantiveros, Magandang Buhay, TV5, A to Z.
And the Best Celebrity Talk Show host, the star goes to Boy Abunda. Fast Talk with Boy Abunda, GMA7. Presenting the award is PMPC PRO Eric Borromeo with Honorable Marcos Mamay.
You have the King of Talk there. Tito Boy, congratulations.
Congrats, Tito Boy!
Ano yung sabi
Again.
ng dalawa? Maraming salamat po. Hi Rian, hi Alden. Maraming salamat. Nais ko lamang po sabihin, nagagawa ho namin ang aming ginagawa dahil sa inyo, dahil sa inyong mga artista, dahil sa ipinagkakatiwala niyo po ang inyong mga kwento sa amin. Kaya we can only prepare up to a certain point. But I think we are dependent on your trust. Kaya sa inyong tiwala sa akin bilang isang interviewer, bilang isang host, maraming salamat. Ito po yung ibig sabihin. Ito yung ibig sabihin ng tropeyong ito. Yung kwento kung bakit naging Fast Talk para sa ibang panahon na lamang. Pero mabuhay ang PMPC at sa lahat ng ating mga bisita ngayong gabi, bahagi po kayo ng tropeyong ito. Maraming salamat at magandang gabi.
Grabe, Tito Boy, that is why he's the King of Talk.
Deserve.
Congratulations. Now, moving on to the star for Best Public Service Program. And the nominees are...
For Best Public Service Program, Hiling Galing, GTV, Investigador, GMA7, Puhunan, Kaya Mo, A to Z, Resibo, Walang Lusot, Ang May Atraso, GMA7, Responde, Mata ng Mamamayan, Net25, Sumbong Nyo, Aksyon Agad, UNTV 37, Wish Ko Lang, GMA7.
Presenting the award is PMPC PRO Evelyn Diao. The star for Best Public Service Program goes to Wish ko lang GMA 7. Congratulations!
Salamat po PMPC. Sa ngalan po ni Ms. Vicky Morales at sa lahat po ng staff and crew ng Wish Ko Lang, salamat po sa inyo. We will continue to produce stories po sa ngalan ng Serbisyong Totoo. Salamat po. We have our director, Direk Jeffrey.
Nagkataon lang, hindi ko alam. But anyway, thank you so much for this award, PMPC Star Awards. Thank you. Patuloy po kami magbibigay ng napakagandang mga kwento. Nasa Wish Ko Lang. Yeah. Maraming salamat.
Congratulations, Wish Ko Lang.
Yes. And now we move on to the Best Public Service Program Host.
And the nominees are?
For Best Public Service Program Host, Edinel Calvario, Hiling Galing, GMA 7, Karen Davila, and Mix Bustos, May Puhunan, Kaya Mo, A to Z, Vicky Morales, Wish Ko Lang, GMA 7, Daniel Razon, Annie Rentoy, Jackie Aquino, Attorney Dot Gangkayko, Congresswoman Bernadette Herrera, Serbisyong Bayanihan, UNTV 37, Alex Santos, Responde, Mata ng Mamamayan, Net 25, Emil Sumangil, Resibo, Walang Lusot ang May Atraso, GMA 7, Ben Tulfo, Bitag Live, IBC 13.
And the star goes to Best Public Service Program Host, Edinel Calvario, Hiling Galing, GTV. Presenting the award is PMPC PRO Evelyn Diao.
Maraming salamat, Evelyn Diao. PMPC, maraming pong salamat sa muling pagkilala sa aking munting ambag dito po sa ating makulay na industriya. At syempre sa aming bagong tahanan sa GMA Kapuso Network, maraming pong salamat sa pagkukop sa Hiling Galing, sa aking very efficient and reliable Hiling Galing family. Maraming salamat. At kabahagi po ng tropeyong ito ang lahat ng tumatangkilik sa Hiling Galing for the past 15 years now. Dahil po sa inyo na itataguyod ng Hiling Galing ang pag-aaral ng maraming mga estudyante, nakapagpa-graduate na po tayo at magpapatuloy pa po tayo sa Hiling Galing Scholarship Program sa patuloy na pagsuporta ninyong lahat. Maraming pong salamat.
Congratulations!
Yes.
50 years is a big feat. Congratulations to that show. And now we'll move on to the News and Public Affairs categories. At uunahin po natin ang Best Public Affairs Program. And the nominees are...
For Best Public Affairs Program, ano sa palagay nyo? Net 25, Cayetano in Action with Boy Abunda, GMA 7, Schoolmates, PTV 4, Open for Business, Net 25, Reality Check with Tito Soto, Net 25, The Final Word, CNN Philippines, The Source, CNN Philippines.
And the star for Best Public Affairs Program goes to... Cayetano in Action with Boy Abunda, GMA 7. Presenting the award is BMPC Past President Julie Bonifacio Gaspar.
Abet is our head writer ng Cayetano in Action with Boy Abunda. Dito ka, Abet.
Maraming salamat po PNPC. Magtatatlong taon na po ang Cayetano in Action with Boy Abunda. Ito na po yung pangalawang yung pagkilala ninyo sa amin. Kaya maraming salamat po. Una sa Panginoon, sa pagbibigay sa amin ng pagkakataon na maglingkod sa bayan. At pangalawa, sa mga Pilipinong nagtitiwala sa aming sagot, solusyon at aksyon sa kanilang mga problemang legal at katanungan tungkol sa batas. Dahil nga sa batas, wala tayong kawala. Maraming salamat po ulit.
Sandali lamang po, nais namin magpasalamat sa GMA7. Mahigit 2 taon na ang kaitangan ng Action with Boy Abunda sa GMA7. 11 o'clock in the evening, tuwing linggo. Tama. Kanina, hindi rin po ako nakapagpasalamat sa aming mga, the team behind Fast Talk. Ang dami niyan, who are the team who is responsible for everything that you see on air. Ja, Cecil, Romel, ang dami, RD, Sen, writers Yanni, Jesse, Suzanne, Bam, at marami pang mga tao. I go on air, I face the cameras, but isang komunidad po ang nasa likod ng camera making every show possible. Katulad sa inyo. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay muli ang PMPC.
Congratulations, Tito Boy and the whole team. Hakot awardee on the night. And we're not yet done.
We're not done. And now we move on for the star for Best Public Affairs Program Host.
And the nominees are
For Best Public Affairs Program Host, Boy Abunda, Pia Cayetano, Alan Peter Cayetano, Cayetano and
TV Stars of the Year. And these special awards ay hatid sa atin ng isa sa ating value partner, a major sponsor that adds excitement and big wins to many Filipino homes.
Our Bingo Female TV Star of the Year is Rian Ramos.
goes to Miss Jella Ataide.
Go, Jels! Jels, it's your time!
baka si Clifford yung mananalo.
For Bingo Plus for their unwavering support upang ang gabi ito ay mangyari celebrating excellence in Philippine television. Ang tatanghaling male and female TV stars of the year will both receive flowers, lei, and 25,000 in cash from Bingo Plus. At para ihayag ang mga nagwagi bilang TV stars of the year, tawagin natin ang representative mula sa Bingo Plus kasama ang PMPC past president and overall chairman na si Mr. Fernando Guzman. Female TV star of the night is Miss Rian Ramos. Our male TV star of the year is Mr. Sam Versosa. Congratulations.
Again, just a big reminder to everyone, this is the 37th PMPC Star Awards for television. Not yet the reception. Not yet. Congratulations. Feels like a deja vu or something, no? But hey, let's have the final set of special awards. And it is for the male and female celebrities of the night. To announce the winners, let's call on stage the Revival King, Mr. Jojo Mendrez. And joining him is the President and CEO of Aura Beauty and Wellness, Ms. Benelin Amigo Molina, who will be giving the flowers and lei to our winners. Mr. Jojo Mendrez will be giving out cash prizes to our winners. Wow. To our winner, to announce our winner is Revival King, Mr. Jojo Mendrez. And from PMPC, let's also call on stage past President Auditor, Mr. Rodel Fernando. Jojo?
And the male celebrity of the night goes to Joshua Garcia. And the female celebrity of the night goes to Rochelle Pangilinan.
And there you have it. Maraming salamat and congratulations. There are the citations and appreciation para sa ating partners sa industriya. Marami pang mga parangal sa pagbabalik ng 37 Star Awards for TV.
ng telebisyon. And we shall begin with the Best New Male TV Personality. And the nominees are...
For Best New Male TV Personality, Tommy Alejandrino, Senior High, GMA7. Argus Espinas, It's Showtime, GTV A to Z. Rahil Bilia, Love Is, Caught in His Arms, GMA7. Larkin Castor, Manupo Legacy, The Flower Sisters, GMA7. John Clifford, Pepito Manaloto, GMA7. Ethan David, For the Love, Ligaya Episode, TV5. Vince Maristella, Love Before Sunrise, GMA7. Christoph Samaru, One for All for One, INC TV. Aidan Veneracion, Royal Blood, GMA7.
Presenting the award is PMPC Secretary Jimmy Escala. And the star for Best New Male TV Personality goes to... John Clifford, Pepito Manaloto, GMA7.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Sa mga hindi po nakakilala sa akin, can I introduce myself again?
Of course, brother.
Kambal po pala ako ni Joshua Garcia. Ay! Hindi, joke lang po. Ako po pala si John Clifford, isa po sa mga bagong aktor ng GMA. And 2 years ago, binigyan po ng opportunity ng Pepito Manaloto so I can portray my first ever character, which is Jacob. Ako po yung unang boyfriend ni Clarissa. And ngayon, I got recognized for it. I'm super thankful. Maraming salamat po. I share this award first and foremost with God. Nagpapasalamat po sa blessing na ito. At syempre, sa supportive ko na family na andito ngayon. Yes, and syempre sa Sparkle GMA Artist Center, maraming salamat po sa guidance. And lastly, sa PMPC, maraming salamat po. This award will motivate me to do better and strive for more awards in the future. Thank you so much.
Congratulations! Now for our next trophy is for the Best New Female TV Personality. And the nominees are...
For Best New Female TV Personality, Gerla Ataide, Senior High, TV5, A to Z. Princess Catherine Kulot Kaponpon, It's Showtime, GTV A to Z. Karen Astro, EAT, TV5. Sam Coloso, Spingo, TV5. Charlie Fleming, Royal Blood, GMA7. Atasha Mulak, EAT, TV5. Ashton Alviga, For the Love, Ligaya Episode, TV5.
And the star goes to...
Jella Ataide, Senior High, TV5 A to Z.
Congratulations, Jella. Dito muna tayo.
And presenting the award?
Presenting the award is PMPC former president and current board member, Romel Gonzalez. Congrats, Jella.
This is crazy. I don't have anything prepared because I really didn't expect this. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I don't know what to say, but thank you so much PMPC for this because Senior High means a lot to me. Jello, Elijah, also was one of my co-actors there, and we were just talking about it a while ago, how it was such a time in our lives, it was an amazing time in our lives talaga, kasi bilang yung cast po, naging solid na magkaibigan po kami, so I really owe this to you guys, my cast, my fellow cast members. Thank you so much. I was new in the industry, pressured by everything, especially as a Nepo baby. It was a lot of pressure, but I really want to thank everyone who believed in me. Dreamscape Entertainment, Sir Teo and Renal, who believed in me since day one and hanggang ngayon di ko po alam bakit, pero nagpapasalamat po talaga ako sa kanya every day until now. So I really owe this to Sir Teo, Dreamscape, and of course ABS-CBN. Thank you so much, Tita Cory, Direct Lauren, for believing in me, Tita Monch, my manager at the Shar, for always having my back. There's so many people to thank, but I don't want to take your time. But yeah, I really am just so grateful. I know that there's so much more room for improvement. I really want to grow so much as an actress, so this really means a lot to me. And yeah, to my family, thank you so much. I'm sorry. To my family, my mom, thank you for supporting me. She was also part of the show, so she always had my back while we were taping that. My dad, and of course my siblings, Kuya and Ate, and of course Chavi. Thank you. I don't know what else to say. There's so many things I want to say, but yeah, that's it. I'm just so grateful, and I can't wait to give more, do more, and really learn more. So yeah, maraming salamat po ulit, PMPC. Thank you.
Congratulations, Chelsea. We're so proud of you. And take note, hindi pa po siya handa niyan. We're so proud of you. Ladies and gentlemen, we do apologize for the backstage noise. Marami po kaming gansa. Ikukulong po namin sila later on. But moving on, we shall go with our exciting categories. Pinaabangan ng marami ang mga winners sa mga kategoryang ito.
At lahat tayo ay may kanya-kanyang mga bet. Pero sino kaya ang makakasungkit ng inaasam na Star Trophy? It's time to reveal our winners.
Okay, we shall start with this first category. Mahirap malaman kung sino talagang umangat dahil mahuhusay at tunay na award-winning ang kanilang mga performances. We shall begin with the Best Drama Supporting Actor. And the nominees are...
For Best Drama Supporting Actor, John Arcelia, Dirty Linen, TV5 A to Z. Elijah Canlas, Senior High, TV5 A to Z. Christopher De Leon, FPJ's Batang Quiapo, TV5 A to Z. Baron Geisler, Senior High, TV5 A to Z. Joel Lamangan, FPJ's Batang Quiapo, TV5 A to Z. Christopher Martin, Mga Lihim ni Urduha, GMA 7. Joel Torre, Dirty Linen, TV5 A to Z.
Bigat na po pangalan. Good
Okay na, mag-uwi na lang ako.
Ladies and gentlemen, the star for Best Drama Supporting Actor goes to... You wanna read this? Elijah Canlas, Senior High, TV5 A to Z. Congratulations. Presenting the awards, PMPC Past President Chairman of the 37th Star Awards for TV, Mr. Roldan Castro.
Won't take too much of your time. Thank you, PMPC, for the surprise. Alam ko mag-host lang ako ngayon, pero may pagganito pala. So thank you, PMPC, at sa lahat po na bumubuo ng PMPC. Thank you to God, thank you to my family, my mom, my dad, my kuya. Thank you to all our directors, our writers, the whole cast and crew of Senior High. Sa management ko, Sir Erickson, Sir Jeff at the GM, Cornerstone Entertainment. And ginawa ko to panahon, madami akong binubuhat, kakamatay lang nung bunso namin. So inaalay ko to sa kanya para to sa'yo, JM. Thank you po. Also mag-represent naman ako ngayon.
Congratulations, bro. So just for a recap, Vito Boy had awards, Jella had an award, you had an award.
Parang ikaw dapat.
I'm hoping for this next category, I would win.
Dapat no?
Sana.
And this next category is for the Best Drama Supporting Actress. May chance. Malakas your chance. And the nominees are...
For Best Drama Supporting Actress, Pinky Amador, Abot Kamay na Pangarap, GMA 7. Angel Aquino, Dirty Linen, TV5 A to Z. Rio Locsin, Black Rider, GMA 7. Cherry Pie Picache, FPJ's Batang Quiapo, TV5 A to Z. Gladys Reyes, Black Rider, GMA 7. Sylvia Sanchez, Senior High, TV5 A to Z. Maricel Soriano, Pira-Pirasong Paraiso, TV5 A to Z.
And the star for the Best Drama Supporting Actress goes to... Miss Cherry Pie Picache! FPJ's Batang Quiapo, TV5 A to Z. Congratulations, Miss Pie.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's all rise and kneel before Miss Cherry Pie Picache. Presenting the award is PMPC Assistant Secretary Mildred Bakun.
Sa wakas. No, I would really like to thank PMPC. Maraming salamat. Kaya ako talaga siguradong mangyari. I'm always nominated, pero hindi na. Ayaw niyo ako magsalita.
There, okay. It's all good.
Hello.
Ladies and gentlemen, first time, once again, Miss Cherry Pie Picasso.
Ayun nga, sa wakas, sinulit talaga. Hindi, thank you to the Philippine Movie Press Club. Maraming salamat talaga. Katulad nga ng sinabi ko kanina, kaya ako talaga nagpunta. Kasi bihira ito bihira ko manalo. Laging nominated, so thank you talaga. And this is a good affirmation for all the hard work and love I put into my craft. So, salamat. But in any creation, I cannot only do it alone as an actor. I always collaborate and it's always a teamwork. So with this recognition, I would like to share it with ABS-CBN. Of course, Tita Cory, Sir Carlo, Sir Mark, everyone. To my Dreamscape family, with loving thoughts to Sir Deo Edrinal. I'm sure you're smiling up there. Our founder of Dreamscape. And to my B61 management, headed by Mr. B-Boy Arboleda, Eileen, team, everybody in the group. Mr. Edgar Estrella, thank you for all your love and support, always. And the last but not the least, of course, to my Batang Quiapo and CCM Production family. It's headed by Coco Martin, who continuously show us na walang pinagtatagumpayan pag hindi pinaghihirapan, pinagpapasensyahan at pinagtatrabahuhan. Lagi yun. For your generosity, sa sipag mo, sobrang saludo kami. Sa sipag mo, sa lahat ng tulong mo na ibinibigay. Sa lahat ng tao at lalong-lalo na sa mga senior actors. Salamat, Mr. Coco Martin. And then, our other heads, Ayla Garcia, Lea Calmerin, all the Journey, Louis J, and our directors, Malu Sevilla, Daniel Villaflor, Richard Somes, to all the staff and crew who works very hard. Maraming salamat. Sana wala na ako nakalimutan. Of course, my last. Lagi ito, pag nananalo ako, sa buhay at pag-ibig ko, alam mo malaking bahagi nito para sa iyo, anak. Kay Neo. And to God all be the glory. Maraming salamat po. God bless us, everyone.
Well deserved award. We love you and congratulations, Miss Cherry Pie. Well deserved award. Okay, now let's have the star for Best Single Performance by an Actor. And the nominees are
by an Actor. Benjamin Alves, Magpakailanman, Mister na Walang Misis, GMA 7. Martin Del Rosario, Magpakailanman, Almost a Champion, The Renerio, The Amazing Arizala Story, GMA 7. Kokoy De Santos, Magpakailanman, A Son's Promise, The Kokoy De Santos Story, GMA 7. Gabby Eigenman, Magpakailanman, Mana sa Inang Ama, GMA 7. Edgar Allan Guzman, Magpakailanman, Love Times 3, The Joel and April Regal Love Story, GMA 7. Alden Richards, Magpakailanman, Sa Puso at Isipan, The Cantillana Family Story, GMA 7.
I think I'm wearing your suit in that photo, bro. All right. And the star for Best Single Performance by an Actor goes to Mr. Alden Richards. Magpakailanman, Sa Puso at Isipan, The Cantillana Family Story, GMA 7, and presenting the award is PMPC PRO Eric Borromeo with Honorable Mamay of Fununungan, Lanao del Norte.
I know it's kind of late, but I would really like to take this opportunity. Of course, thank PMBC for this award po. But portraying the role of Andrew Cantillana is one of the most important roles I've done in my 15 years in the industry. I would like to thank, of course, the people behind Magpakailanman, of course, Kuya Senny Duque, who's here, my director, Direk Gina, and to all the cast members that was part of that storytelling. This award is not for me. I dedicate this award to those who are experiencing mental health problems. I think mental health is somehow unheard by the society, and the reason why I accepted the role is for me to be able to send a message to all the people who's going to be able to watch that series. Dahil ang mental health po ay hindi biro, hindi siya iniisip lang at gawa-gawa lamang ng mga nakaka-experience nito. Me personally was a victim of mental health issues. And growing up, my mom had bipolar depression, so I knew and I know exactly what it feels like, how it is to live in a household na meron po ganong klaseng suliranin. So with this, I hope that being an actor, I'm just so proud of my job, and I'm sure all of the people who's here tonight, because with our job comes a lot of responsibility. And we are able to send messages from different walks of life. Kaya sana po, with this award, I dedicate this to all the people who's undergoing something in their lives right now. The hardships, the struggles, napakahirap pong kalaban ng isip, napakahirap pong kalaban ng sarili. And I've been there, and I know. So to everyone who's listening to this message, to everyone who has these kinds of problems right now, I hear you, we hear you, and we are here to support and help you the most we can. So, para po to sa lahat ng mga taong dumadanas ng mental health issues and mental health problems. And to the Cantillana family, if you're listening and watching this, sinabi ko to before when I did a Facebook live stream for the episode, I'm here for you guys. I know how it feels like. And one way or another, malalagpasan din natin lahat ng to. So, this is for you guys. This is for those people that's part of our society. And of course, Lord, thank you so much for making me an instrument to send messages and to be of help to the ones in need. Maraming salamat po sa PMBC and good evening.
Congratulations, Al. Congratulations.
Thank you for that beautiful and heartfelt speech. Grabe. Nakaka-inspire. And tama, let's all be kinder to each other. Now finally, one of the most coveted trophies tonight. Sino nga ba ang nagwagi tonight? The star for the best single performance by an actress. Nominees pa na pala. Here are the nominees.
Irma Adlawan, Tadhana, My Golden Love, GMA7. Annie Austria, Magpakailanman, I Am Not My Mother, GMA7. Rita Avila, Magpakailanman, Inaka ng Anak Mo, GMA7. Charmaine Buencamino, Magpakailanman, Ang Batang Hamog, The Boy Zobel Story, GMA7. Therese Malvar, Magpakailanman, Bayad Utang, GMA7. Rochelle Pangilinan, Magpakailanman, The Abused Teacher, GMA7. Rian Ramos, Magpakailanman, Ang Hiling sa Diyos, The Vance Uy Kwaki Story, GMA7.
Alright, and the star for the best single performance by a lead actress goes to
Rochelle Pangilinan, Magpakailanman, The
GMA 7.
Presenting the award is PMPC Past President and Auditor Rodel Fernando.
Get the trophy.
Thank you, God, for this blessing. God, thank you. And thank you, PMPC Star Awards, for this best single. Ang sarap namin, wait lang. Best single performance by an actress. Actress na ako! Oh my gosh! And lahat, ilan po yata sa inyo, alam niyo na, first love ko ay dancing. Siguro from Eat Bulaga to Daisy 7 hanggang sa nagkaroon ako ng interes sa acting sa Amaya. Doon ko naintindihan na bilang actress ay kinakalaban ko lagi yung sarili ko. Kapag may binigay sa aking role o trabaho, sinisigurado ko na mas mahigitan ko yung ginawa kong huling role. And china-challenge ko lagi yung sarili ko. Kaya itong award na to ay napaka-fulfilling. Kaya ninamnam ko kanina, napaka-rewarding, maraming salamat. And sa lahat ng kasama ko sa nominasyon para po sa inyo to, sa lahat ng katrabaho namin sa industriyang ito, mula sa lahat ng staff, directors, lahat, co-actors, maraming salamat po. At syempre sa aking home network, mulat sa pool na tumuntong ako sa showbiz industry, ang GMA 7. Maraming salamat ang Sparkle family, ang PPL family, at higit sa lahat sa pamilya ko na si Arthur Solinap na asawa ko na lagi nakakakita na minsan sinasabi niya sa akin na, oh, naglalakad tayo sa mall, bakit mukha kang warrior maglakad? So, method ko na minsan at syempre sa anak kong si Shiloh, anak para sa ito. And maraming salamat po magpakailanman. Kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, hindi ako magkakaroon nito. Maraming salamat po. Thank you!
Thank you so much. We feel you. Congratulations to all of our awardees. We are nearing the last stretch of our program as more awards are up for grabs when the 37th Star Awards for Television returns.
This special is brought to you by Smile 360 Dental Clinic, Public Attorney's Office, Trujillo, Ansaldo, Maranion Law.